This is a quick video tutorial on counting plants along a transect. You'll want to start by picking a spot with some plants and one that you can easily access. Before you go out, you'll want to prep your transect line. So I recommend taking a twine or taking some string that you can mark every 25 or 50 centimeters so that you know the increments before you even go out. And then when you go out, make sure to take your ruler with you. And first stretch your line in a straight line in one direction so that you can easily access it from both sides. It can be across a meadow or alongside a ditch or something like that. And have your rulers so that you can tell where your area ends on each side. It will be 25 centimeters to each side. So you're going to be moving along this transect, and every 50 centimeters or half a meter, you're going to be stopping and taking account of the plants in that area. So here I'm looking at just one side of the transect. I have my 50 centimeters on the line marked and my ruler to one side. So this is just one half. We would do the same on the other side, and I can see 7 different plants in this view anyway, so I would mark 7 for this area. And here I've moved to the next 50 centimeters on the line. And I'm counting plants here. The black circles are plants that are here, but that I've already seen in the previous increment of the line. There's only one plant, it's a copperleaf, that's new to this area. So I'm only marking one additional species. And that's what I'm gonna put into my table here. So I'm starting at 0 in the first half meter. There were 7 species. In the second half meter, I only added 1 for a total of 8. And when you're done with the first transect, pick a different area, maybe a wooded one or something a little different from the previous. And we're going to compare the two. And when you have the data for both, you can graph them. Graph the total species seen over an area that you have surveyed. So you have surveyed them in 0.25 square meter increments. So you can easily graph both of them in one graph and compare.